Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many PowerShell users face when setting up mocks for Invoke-RestMethod. The issue arises when the test ends up calling the real implementation instead of the intended mock, which can lead to unexpected results like in our case. Now, let's jump into the solution for this pesky problem. By including the module name in your mock call using the ModuleName parameter, you can ensure that your test uses the mock version of Invoke-RestMethod. Simply add ModuleName client to your mock statement like this. Mock Invoke-RestMethod $given query ModuleName client. In summary, by properly specifying the module name in your mock call, you can ensure that your test utilizes the mock instead of the real implementation of Invoke-RestMethod. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in the outcome of your tests. Well, that's a wrap. Remember, tackling problems with mocks in PowerShell can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can overcome them smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. See you next time.